Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and for today's video I will be unboxing this GoPro Hero 10 with the accessories for the bundle kit. So if you're interested, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox the actual camera in here, and it's nice because it comes with a bag, which is a camera bag, so it's pretty cool. And on the inside it has the camera. There's 2 batteries included, and I think this is a magnetic clip that holds the GoPro, so it's pretty cool. We got 2 batteries here. Oh, and it also comes with this little tripod thing, so you can hold your GoPro like this, and all of this can fit in this nice camera bag. And the rest are the screws for the mount, so there's plenty in here, and also the manual. There's a manual included. Okay, so let's check out the camera now. And the GoPro Hero 10 has 23 megapixels. It has a GP2 processor. It supports 1080p live streaming. It has a webcam mode, and it is mod ready. Okay, so as you can see, here's the lens for the camera, and we also have a front screen in here, so you could see yourself while filming. And at the back, here's what the screen looks like. Okay, I just turned it on, and it's now making me select the language. Legal stuff. Okay, agree to all of that. GPS, sure. Install the GoPro Quick app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. Okay, so I'm gonna do that next. Okay, so I have installed the app on my phone, and now it's trying to pair via Bluetooth. The instructions are very straightforward, so it's easy to follow. Now I think it's connected. Swipe down to access. Okay. It's really nice to have this screen in front, and it's bigger now compared to the older models, because at least you will see what you're filming. Okay, so for the accessories, it comes with this magnetic camera holder, so you can just attach it anywhere that has a metal surface, and you can just clip your camera here. That's pretty handy if you just want different angles for all of your videos. You can just easily place your camera anywhere. Then next is this little tripod. Of course, it's important for the camera to have a stand, and it's easier to carry the camera around if you are vlogging yourself. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so next for the accessories is the media mod, or just basically an external microphone, so you are able to talk and vlog if you want on your GoPro. So this is what it looks like. So this comes with a removable windscreen in here that you can attach and detach on the case. And this is just something that you can attach on your GoPro, so you would have an external microphone, which is really cool. Next, we have the protective housing, and this protects your camera if you want to use it underwater. This is waterproof, so this is perfect for videos if you are swimming or diving. Okay, so this is pretty cool. You can tell right away that the quality of this is very durable because the casing is quite thick, and it comes with two covers for the back, which I find really cool and very useful. So this first cover covers the entire camera in here, and this one only covers the edges. So if you still want to like access the buttons behind the camera, you will be able to do so, or if you want to cover it completely, you can have this option as well. So I think that's pretty cool. Lastly, we have the head strap plus quick clip. So this is very useful if you are gonna use your camera for adventure when you are doing outdoor activities, especially if you want your hands free from carrying the camera. This is perfect for you if you're biking, especially, or hiking, walking, running. This is a must-have. So this is what the head strap looks like, and this is where you would clip the GoPro, and it's also adjustable, of course, depending on your head size, and it feels very durable as well. So, okay, so I have placed the camera and the head strap, and it's quite simple. It wasn't hard to assemble this at all, and it's gonna look like this. And let's try it out. I hope this fits in my head. Okay, so if you're wearing a helmet or like a hat, a cap, you can just wear it with this, and it feels comfortable enough for you to record when you are doing something active like biking or hiking. This is perfect. See, it keeps your hands free from carrying the camera. So this is pretty cool.